Hi guys, we're at the Watson Lake
car show
in Prescott, Arizona today.
So we didn't think we were going to make it down, but
yeah, we might get some rain here too.
I'm excited for that.
But we're going to show you around the hit and miss motors. So come on, let's go take a look. Yes.
The car show is cool because it is cool. There's old cars and stuff, but this is by far my favorite part of this.
Yeah,
it's super cool.
It's really cool.
And all the little men in their overalls, their bib overalls and stuff, super cute.
Okay, let's go take a look. The little guy. The whole truck moves.
Museum, it says.